Hi my friends, here we are again on Pajama Day, and we are going to learn about the letter, can anyone guess what it is? P. We're learning about the letter P for language this week. So, the same thing that we did with the other letters, we're going to do with the letter P. So, first, we're going to try and build the letter P. Let's take a look in my box. I have a long line that's going to go on the side. The long line goes on the side. And what else do you think I need here? It looks like I need a short curve. Let's see if I can find a small curve in my bin. Ta-da! Here we go. So, the letter P has a long line and a small curve at the top. A long line and a small curve at the top. Do you think the curve goes at the bottom? No. It goes right at the top. Letter P. Okay, let's see if we can draw this P. Here we go. So what did I need? I needed a long line down the side, okay? Start at the top, long line down the side. Do you see that line? Okay. And then I need a small curve at the top. Is that right? No, that's different. Okay, let's try again. A long line down the side and a small curve at the top. Does that look like the letter P? Amazing. Okay, let's do it in the air together. Jump. Good job. Okay, let's think about the sound that the letter P makes. And you virtual students are so lucky because you get to see my mouth as I make the letter P sound. So, this is a party. And this little boy named Paul has a cake that's shaped like a pig. And when he blows out the candles, he goes puh, puh, puh. Can you do that with your mouth? You can even pretend you're blowing out a candle. The lips together. Puh. I want to feel the breath. Puh. 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 Do you have your candle in front of your mouth? We'll do it together. Puh. 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 Okay. So now that we know the sound that the letter P makes, it makes a P sound, I'm going to show you some words that start with that sound. P. Tell me if you know it before I say it. Pizza. Oh, a lot of us know this one. What's that? Pig. What's that? This one we use at school. Pencil. Remember to get your lips ready. You have to put them together. Paint. Very good. Oh, Mom and Dad probably cook with this, or Mama and Baba. Pot. This is something I hope to have on Halloween. Pie. I like pumpkin pie. Oh, pumpkin. That's another P sound. All right. So, this is what I'm going to do. It's the same as before. I have some cards that do not start with the P sound. Put that on the ground. And I'm going to mix them in. Okay. And we're going to pull the cards, and you're going to tell Mom and Dad if it's the P sound or no. Okay, ready? Do you know what this is? A hat. Hat. Is that the P sound or no? No. That's not the P sound. Ready for another one? Drum roll. Do you know what that is? Pencil. Pencil. Is that the p sound or no? Pencil. It is the p sound. All right, ready for the next one? What's that? Oh my goodness. You yelled it. Paint. Paint. Does that start with the p or no? It does start with p. All right, one more. One more. This is the pie. Does that start with p or no? It does. It's another p sound. I'm going to put some activities online for you to work on with your mom and dad, and I will see you next week. Bye.